going, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2thousands.com, and I have a new Get Paid To site that I want to bring to your attention. It is completely free to sign up. The link to it is in the description. It's called Adsrepay. There's various different things you can do on this site. I'm going to do a full tutorial on this website and what I do to make money with it. So first and foremost, you'll see at the top I have 35 points. That is equivalent to 35 cents. Now, some of the things you can do on here, they have what you call Loot TV, Hideout TV, Repay TV. These are basically just letting videos run, and you're getting paid, for every certain amount of video for doing that. So it's basically just passive, completely passive income. You can just turn it on and just let it run. Now, you do have to actually sign up for each one of these and have an account with them so that you can actually earn, but it's a very easy way to earn. Time Wall, this is how I make a good portion of my money with this. This is how I made 35 cents. Just kind of playing around with it. Um, there's different things you can do on this site. I mean, as far as this tab, you can do surveys, you can do tasks, and you can click on ads. I'm going to show you how that works. So once it finishes loading here, so you'll see here in this tab, I have 2,205 points that are approved. I have 1,400 points that are pending. Now, the thing is, don't get confused into thinking this is 22,005 cents because it is not. Actually, every 1,000 points in this section here equals 5 cents. So that's just the conversion rate. So you'll see right here, this 11 points, that's actually 11 cents. So this is your real balance. Whatever you see in conversion and amount of points, that's your real amount. So really, I have 46 cents total if I add the 35 cents here and 11 points here. So I'm going to show you how the points add up in here. So first, I'm going to start with the click section because this is the fairly easiest one to use. So I'm going to click on that, and it's going to show me different advertisements that I can view. And, it'll just kind of, just look at them. So right here, I can get 42 points for viewing this ad for 5 seconds. So I'll basically just click on view, and then it'll pop up. And like I said, just let it stay there for 5 seconds. Now, whatever ad this is, it says the campaign is not permitted. So don't think that's not my account. I don't think it's your account either. It's just something wrong with the ad. But nonetheless, you have to just view it for 5 seconds. So now it's been 5 seconds. So I just close it out. And then another one will kind of come. It'll kind of just keep on going until they run out. It takes a very long time for it to run out. So I'm just going to refresh the page so you can see my points did go up. That I did get that 42 cents. So click refresh. And let it kind of add up there, and you see there, right there, the 42 cents did go into my approved points, and now I can convert 12 points. So that's basically how it works with the click on the ad section. You can also do task here. So just click on this tab, just to view all the tasks that they have. And this is pretty much just like sign up for this site or install an app, view this website, things like that, that different people will promote on here. Now, whenever you do a task, it will go into your pending status. So I have 1,400 points pending. You basically have to wait for the advertiser to approve it. Sometimes it could take, from what I've heard, it can be fairly short. Sometimes it can be a couple of days, just depending on the person. But just to kind of show you some of the things they have here, like for this, sign up to SuperPay and earn 14,000 points. So you'll just do that right there. Create an account, get paid instantly, 3,500 points. There's some other little stuff. Let me see if I can find one where you can install an app. Right here, visit my site and install. You'll get 7,000 points for doing that. Just click on this sponsored post. You get 700 points. So they have lots of different things you can just kind of look at here. Another click on this post, 560 points. A lot of these tasks will ask you to sign up for stuff. A lot of the ones they will tell you to sign up for are free. So I don't recommend, or, it depends on you, but I personally don't do anywhere it has to cost me money to sign up for, because I feel like, I'm on this site to make money, not to pay money. You know what I'm saying? If I want to pay money, I'll, use other things, I'll not on this, typical offer wall. So like you can kind of play around with the tasks. Like I said, whenever you complete one, it will be into pending status like this right here at the top. And then eventually it will get approved. And then whatever you have in your approved points, your conversion points, you can always, convert that to your actual balance. So in total now I have 47 cents. Actually, I just have to convert it over to points. So in order to do that, basically you just go to withdraw right here. See if I can actually, won't let me scroll down to withdraw. So right there, withdraw, and you can convert your points. So just click on this real quick. And right here it says the minimum to withdraw is 100 points. So that basically you mean you need $1 in your conversion points to be able to convert it. So just kind of keep that in mind. Now I'm gonna go back to the dashboard to show you other different ways you can make money with this site, because they have lots of different offer walls and survey providers that you can choose from. So I mean, there's really a lot to get involved with here. This is definitely a site I'm going to put into my routine as far as making money with. And I'm going to kind of scroll down here. You see here they have some providers, AdGate and AdSense Media. Those are two of my favorite ones, very popular across get paid to sites. Peanut Labs, another one, just because the surveys here are fairly short and they're easy to do. And a lot of these are just, survey providers and offer walls. I will tell you this one right here, Ethereum Reach, it does pay disqualification points. So for every one you disqualify for, you will get like 1 or 2 cents. So I always encourage people, like when you're doing surveys, there will be times where you disqualify. So in order to, kind of, fight that, getting disqualified all the time and getting nothing, I always tell people to find a provider that's going to pay you disqualification points. That way you're not completely wasting your time. You're getting something, and getting something is always better than getting nothing, because even though there's 1 or 2 cents, let it add up and let it add up, and you can find out that you're actually cashing out and you're making money with the site. You know what I'm saying? So just keep that in mind. And scrolling down here, you have even more offer walls you can choose from. So like I said, there's lots of different ways you can make money on this site. As far as redeeming, I'm going to show you the different prizes or different things you can get for actually redeeming your points. So you see here they have 5 different ways that you can actually withdraw. PayPal and Amazon seem to be the most popular ones. So just clicking on PayPal here, it is actually a minimum of $1 to cash out. You need 125 points to get that dollar, 225 to get $2. And once you get to $5, it kind of evens out as far as the points go. Once you get to the $50 and $100 range, it's actually a discount to cash out. So you only need 4,975 points to get $50 and 9,925 to get $100. So those are the cash out features you can choose from. Let's go back and let me see what Amazon has. So we'll go back to the redeem section again and click on Amazon. And the Amazon points pretty much are the same thing. So, you can do PayPal and Amazon. They have other ones you can choose from as well, as far as how you want to redeem your points. So there you have it. Lots of different things you could do on here. All of them are free. The surveys, the offers, especially going into that time wall tab where you can click on ads and do tasks. That would really help, make your balance even bigger, so you're able to cash out more and often. You know what I'm saying? So I'll leave the link to this site in the description. It's completely free to sign up with. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2thousands.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.